Hello, everyone. It's Olumayowa Victor Ogunsola from iDPS Consult Netherlands. iDPS means I diagnose and profile solutions. I'm here today to tell you about our Study in the Netherlands services for international students who wish to come to study in the Netherlands. Perhaps you want to come for an undergraduate studies, that's the bachelor's degree, or a master's degree. The Netherlands is a fantastic destination. Quality education is what you get. Also, the Netherlands is a safe destination. Also, the Netherlands is the gateway to the rest of Europe. So when you study in the Netherlands, you have access to all other Schengen European countries. Perhaps you want to use our services to come to study in the Netherlands. We have partnership with high-quality universities around the Netherlands. Please contact us today by visiting our website www.idpsconsults.com or send us an email at info@idpsconsults.com or contact us directly on the phone +31 649 154 231. When you use our services, we get you admission into a top university in the Netherlands, visa is guaranteed, and you're welcome to study in the Netherlands. Thank you, and we expect you to contact us. As we say in the Netherlands, doei, which means goodbye. Thank you, that's dank you well. Bye.